Dixon is the largest EMS in India and trusted partner for 100 plus global and domestic brands. We are operating in 9 segments, wherein the mobile, TV, lighting, washing machine, refrigerator, telecom product, hearable and wearable. Now we are looking for digital transformation to increase efficiency of the entire Dixon group.
So we're looking for a kind of integrated solutions, not only considering the current need into the demand, but also getting into the future things. So we are getting into a kind of AI-driven supply chain management, capacities planning, and the related element from the supply chain. And this processes, we have evaluated multiple different technologies partner. Blue Yonder, what you find is one of the most precisely, which is fulfilling all our requirement and all.
Our decision to implement Blue Yonder is rooted in our commitment to enhance operational efficiency, optimizing cost, and maximizing profitability. Blue Yonder advanced analytics and optimization capabilities enable us to better forecast demand, manage our inventory levels, and optimize the production schedules. In addition, Blue Yonder also provides comprehensive insights into our supply chain operations, enabling us to take data-driven decisions on cost-saving opportunities and also on optimization of a resource allocation.
We strongly feel that this tool will give us the data points and analytics to serve our customer better. This has been an extremely successful collaborative effort both by Blue Yonder team and Dixon team.
We are confident that this initiative will not only enhance operational efficiency and the financial performance, but also position Dixon as a trailblazer in leveraging technology to drive sustainable growth and bring competitive advantages in our ecosystems.
In the end, I would just like to conclude by saying that Blue Yonder is not only a technological upgrade for us, but it is a strategic investment in Dixon's financial future.